How to repost an Instagram post. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to repost an Instagram post. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and now go ahead and open the post that you want to repost. Once you have the post that you want to repost, tap on the airplane-like icon you see beside the comment icon. This basically is the share icon for Instagram. You will then see various options. You can download the video and post it again in your feed, but make sure the owner of the video allows reposting, or else you can be sued for copyrights. The other method to repost is you can tap on the Add to Story option and further share the post in your story. So as of now, you cannot directly repost an Instagram post. However, you can apply the above mentioned two methods to repost a post on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.